Hello everyone. Welcome to the Filmora 13 video editing tutorial. Today I will show how to replace the sky of a video using Filmora 13. Let's begin the tutorial. Import videos like this. This type of video you can download from pxels.com or pixabay.com. You can also find this type of video in stock media. If you are unable to find this type of video, please leave a comment and I will provide you with a link. Go to the mask option and select the new AI mask tools. AI mask tools are only available in Filmora 13. Draw a mask using the brush. I have separated the sky. If any changes are required, you can do it here using the pen tool. Enable invert mask. Add the second video to the timeline. Change the position of the second video accordingly. Select the mask and increase blur strength. Now we have to make some color corrections for the first video. Select the Color tab to change color. From the color option, I have changed the temperature to 84, vibrance to 28, and saturation to 47. Remember, for different videos, you have to choose different color values. That's all from this tutorial. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, please hit the like button, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more amazing tutorials.